How to fix WhatsApp message problem. Hello everyone. In this video, I will share with you how to fix and solve this problem on WhatsApp. So just watch this video till the end. First, you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Here you will find a lot of options. You will click just on apps, then you will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search only for WhatsApp. When you found it, just open it like this, then scroll up the screen because this is a list of options. Then click on storage and go to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go to clear cache also and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next is to go into Play Store and update your WhatsApp if it's not updated, and then don't forget to restart your phone, and after this your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.